Desert rain frogs are nocturnal. Wake them at your peril. Only the size of a golf ball, but full of attitude. There's still a little time to snooze. As darkness falls, so does the temperature. The desert becomes busier. A wake-up call for nocturnal beasts. The shark of the desert. The sleepy frog transforms into a termite terminator. The Namib golden mole. His oversized skull acts as a satellite dish, picking up the pitter-patter of termites. But termites bite back. And that huge head makes it hard to brush them off. The sand is the mole's only escape from biting termites.